Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, the storm responsible for the snow today continues to move away. It's actually off the coast of Nova Scotia, but it's still influencing our weather in terms of clouds and precipitation. Now, it's not nearly as widespread or as heavy, but we're still getting some elements of light to at times moderate snow. Nothing really heavy, but you see one area now, what's left of it lifting to the north out across northern Rhode Island, a little bit of snow, maybe coating the ground in a few locations, but certainly nothing really heavy. This is along Route 295, and you see heavier bands of snow still across east coastal Massachusetts. This will actually continue all night long out across Plymouth, where additional accumulations are likely. But for the rest of the area, it'll continue to wind down as a lot of this snow will lift up to our north. We'll be left with clouds by tomorrow morning, other than perhaps a stray flurry. Things will be quieting down in terms of precipitation, and then a better day coming up tomorrow. Now, the winter storm warning, even the blizzard warning, has expired. We have what is a winter weather advisory, and that goes until about midnight tonight with the snow showers that continue, the icy roads in Providence. Now, temperatures at 21. You throw in the wind. It's definite wind chill here in the single digits. Winds are still busy, though not as strong. North at 14. We're getting gusts anywhere between 25 and 30, and that's just enough to kind of blow around some of the snow on the ground. Certainly a different texture to the snow compared to what we had several days ago. The crystal structure of the snow not nearly as wet, so not clinging to tree limbs and power lines. It was powdery, so good news there as far as outages. Smithfield now coming in at 19 degrees, picked up about 6-7 inches of snow in the northern part of the state. Temps now in the low 20s, will be dropping down to about 17-18 degrees during the overnight hours, so very cold. There's no melting, and again, the wind chills, while not sub-zero, they're in the single digits, and that'll continue throughout the overnight into early tomorrow morning. Threat tracker continues to be high-level red, just for the simple fact that a lot of ice out there. These secondary roads, while they've been plowed, they're still very slick, compact snow and ice. And through at least tomorrow morning, certainly some extra caution traveling, especially neighborhood streets. Some of the kids heading out to school, these neighborhood roads are still very slick. And then during the afternoon, a little better as temperatures warm up a smidge in the afternoon. But still some leftover snows out across all of New England right now. Look how far away the storm is. Halifax, Nova Scotia, pulling away. Now tracking a second area, a second storm, very weak through the Great Lakes. This will actually track just to our south, so this is a miss. But then a third one in pretty much the same position will follow a similar path, only this time on Wednesday, maybe a little closer for a touch of light snow, or perhaps small accumulations midweek Wednesday. Futurecast starts off this evening and overnight with partly to mostly cloudy skies, cold and dry. Temperatures tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. in the upper teens. Then during the afternoon, mainly cloudy, about 31, 32. Maybe a passing flurry, if that, but basically a dry day. Then tomorrow evening, tomorrow night at 7 o'clock, clear to partly cloudy and temperatures in the mid-20s. So leftover light snow showers this evening and overnight. 18, windy and bitter cold, wind chills in the single digits. Tomorrow morning, waking up to clouds. Again, those icy secondary roads allow for some extra travel time, at least on some of these side roads. Temperature in the upper teens to lower 20s, a couple of flurries here and there, but basically it's a dry day. And then during the afternoon, mainly cloudy and dry. We'll get temperatures sneaking up to about 32, 33 degrees for an hour or two come tomorrow afternoon. All right, 7-day Futurecast. We'll watch Wednesday closely. Now, this is not what I would call a big storm coming up. A weak system, light amounts of snow. There may be some slippery travel. I mean, an inch or two can't be ruled out with that system. Dry Thursday and Friday. I was hinting at some of the coldest air of the season on the way. Saturday night, Sunday, Monday. Look at those numbers. Daytime high at 17 Sunday, nighttime temperature at 0. Another chance for some light snow on Saturday with a high of only 25. So not bad in terms of snow tomorrow. Weak system on Wednesday may give us small accumulations.
Yeah, but those temperatures on Saturday and Sunday are really going to interfere with the ladies' Valentine's Day dinner outfits, Tony. Yeah, think of us here. You can't wear a sweater on Valentine's Day.
The stress she's putting on me.
I know. You got enough in your life, don't you?
All right, there's more to